Hey guys, it's Andrew, the head grower of Pure Greens, back with another educational video. Today we're going to go over harvesting. What we'll be harvesting is oregano. The first step into harvesting is you want to make sure you wash your hands. This is a very important step, especially for when you're harvesting for anyone else but yourself. You want to wash your hands for at least 30 seconds with soap and water. Get in between your fingers, under your fingernails, both sides of your hands. Just make sure you get them washed really well. The second step after you washed your hands is you want to put on your gloves. Once you have your gloves on, you want to take the pair of scissors that you're going to be using to harvest, and using isopropyl alcohol, you want to sterilize the blade of your scissors. Get both sides of the blade, go back and forth at least 3 to 4 times on each blade. And you can also get towards the handle too, where the scissors might be touching the plant. Before you actually start harvesting, you want to have your harvest container ready to go. Since we're going to be taking our cut produce from our container farm to a different location, I have a bag in our harvest container. That way I can seal it up and make sure the product stays clean. So once you have your material here, it looks nice and green, good health, you're going to start harvesting. I'll cut a few pieces off here, place it in my bag. You want to make sure when you make your cut that you're cutting in a spot that promotes new growth. By doing that, I'm leaving 2 growth points right below the cut that I made. Here is an example of where I harvested last week. I made my cut here, and now there's 2 new growth points that'll grow out and expand the size of the plant. Guys, we have our freshly harvested oregano here. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our video next week. Don't forget to like this video and give us a thumbs up and subscribe.